Hello friends, let's learn today types of computers. So they comes in all shapes and sizes, from a tiny watch on your wrist to a giant machine that fills an entire building. Stage 1. Select your computer. There are 6 main types of computer in the world. Each one has a special job. So, so the first type is desktop computer. Sits on a desk, has a big screen, keyboard and a separate box, CPU tower. Very powerful, used at home, schools and offices. Second type of computer is laptop computer. Folds open, screen and keyboard in one. Has a battery so you can use it anywhere, on a bus, in a park, even on a plane. Third type of computer is a tablet, like a big phone, flat screen you touch with your fingers, no physical keyboard unless you plug one in. Great for drawing and reading. Fourth type of computer is a smartphone, the most common computer on earth. Fits in your pocket, makes calls, plays games, takes photos and connects to the internet. Fifth type of computer is a server computer, a super powerful computer in a big building that stores websites, videos, and apps for millions of people. YouTube lives on servers. Sixth type of computer is a wearable computer. Computers you wear, watches, fitness bands, VR headsets, tiny computers on your body tracking steps, heart rate, and more. Stage 2. Now let's learn boss battle. Who wins? Let's compare all 6 types. Which one is right for which job? So there are the 6 types. We need to see which one is right for which job. So desktop 1. Portable? No. Powerful? Yeah, 5 star. Touchscreen? Usually not. Used for offices, gaming and school lab. Type 2. Laptop. Portable? Yes. Powerful? 4 star. Touchscreen? Some models have touchscreen. Useful for school, work and travel. Third type is the tablet. Portable? Yes. Powerful? 3 star. Touchscreen always. Used for drawing, reading, kids learning. Type 4 smartphone. Portable? Yes. Powerful? 3 star. Touchscreen always. Used for calls, photos, apps, internet. Type 5 server. Portable? No. Powerful? 5 star plus. Touchscreen? No. Used for website, apps, cloud storage. Type 6 wearable. Portable phone. Powerful 2 star. Touchscreen small screen. Used for health, fitness, notifications. Spot them in the real world. Computers are everywhere around you. Let's find them. Pick your region. So if you are from India, select India. So here are the examples where you can see computers. Hospital desktop, school laptop, Zomato delivery, GeoCloud server. If you are from USA, then Chromebooks, class, hospital servers, Apple Watch, gaming desktop. If you are from Africa, then smartphone schools, tablets for farmers, bank desktop, drone server. If you're from Asia, then the Alibaba servers, PG Bank, Smart Health Japan, WeChat. If you're from Europe, railway servers, school tablets, NHS laptop, sports wearable. So, the computers are everywhere around us. So, the secret, they are all family. Even though they look different, all these devices are computers because they all do the same three things from episode 1. Which are those three things? Input, process, output. So, for a type 1 desktop, you type is the input. CPU calculates is process. Result shows on screen is output. A desktop just does this with the biggest, fastest parts. So the fact is, the best gaming desktop cost more than a motorcycle. Second type is smartphone. We can use same formula. You tap a photo is input. Phone processes the image is process. Photo appears on a screen is output. Your phone does billions of this every seconds. So the fun fact is your phone is more powerful than computer that sends rockets to the moon. Third type is server. The invisible giant. You search Google is input. Server searches trillions of web pages is process. And the results appear on your screen is output in under 1 second. So the fun fact is Google has over 1 billion server computers running 24 by 7 around the world. Smartwatch, tiny but the mighty. Sensor detect heartbeat is the input. Watch calculates BPM is process. Number shows on screen is output. A real computer on your wrist. So the fun fact is the Apple Watch has more computing power than an entire room of one 1990s computers. So cheated codes, wow facts. Phones everywhere. There are over 6.8 billion smartphones on earth. That means almost every person on the planet has one in their pocket. YouTube servers. YouTube alone needs over 1 million servers to store all its videos. If you watch every YouTube videos, it would take 80,000 years. First laptop. The first laptop 1981 weighed 11 kgs, heavier than most school bags, and it had a tiny screen the size of your palm. Smartwatch saves life. Apple Watch has detected irregular heartbeats and called ambulance for hundreds of people worldwide, literally saving their lives. Hot servers. Server buildings generate so much heat that the companies like Microsoft sink them underwater in the ocean to keep them cool. Gaming computers. The world's most powerful gaming PC 2025 can run 240 frames per second. Your eye can only see about 60. Pure overkill. First smartphone. IBM made the first smartphone in 1994. It could send email and had a touchscreen, but it cost $900 and lasted 1 hour on battery. So children, now the quiz time. Test your squid. 5 questions. Can you get a perfect high score? So which type of computer fits in your pocket? The options are desktop computer, smartphone, server computer. So the answer is smartphone. Yes, a smartphone is a full computer that fits right in your pocket. Amazing. Right. Now the second question is, which computer stores YouTube videos for millions of people? The options are laptop, tablets, server. So the right answer is server. Server computer stores all of YouTube. Google has over 1 million servers doing this job. So the third question is, a laptop is different from a desktop because a laptop has three options we have. First option is a battery inside, portable. Second option is a bigger screen. Third option is more powerful. Yeah, the right answer is a battery inside, portable. Yes, a laptop has a built-in battery so you can use it without plugging into the wall. That is what makes it portable. What is wearable computer? The options are a waterproof laptop, a very small phone, a computer you wear like a smartwatch. So the correct answer is a computer you wear like a smartwatch. Wearable computers are ones you put on your body like a smartwatch on your wrist or VR goggles on your face. So the last question is, all types of computers are the same because they all, first option is have a touch screen, second option is do input process output, third option is connect to Wi-Fi. So the right answer is do input process output. Yes, amazing. Whether it is smartwatch or a giant server, all computers do input process and output. That is what makes them computers. Let's check our code now. Yes, perfect. All answers are correct. You are officially a computer type master, kids. So we have cleared this stage 2. In next episode, we will learn about what is hardware. Thank you, children. Bye.